Hello, dear listeners. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of one of the most legendary crime family stories ever made. A story of power, loyalty, and betrayal. We will learn English naturally through the unforgettable narrative of The Godfather. Welcome to our Slow English Movie Review podcast. Today, we introduce you to the legendary Mafia family story that has captivated audiences for decades. Prepare to be immersed in a world where family is everything and consequences are absolute. We will explore the intricate web of relationships, the unspoken rules, and the dramatic events that shape the Corleone Empire. In this episode, you will improve your English listening skills naturally as we unfold a cinematic masterpiece. Our slow, clear narration will help you understand every detail, making learning an enjoyable and effortless experience. We will guide you through complex plot points and introduce key vocabulary and context, ensuring you not only enjoy the story but also enhance your language proficiency. Our story begins in the bustling, yet shadowed, landscape of 1940s America. This was a time when powerful mafia families, often referred to as the Five Families, held significant, albeit clandestine, influence over various aspects of society. It is a world built on strict codes of loyalty, honor, and respect, where a man's word is his bond and family ties are unbreakable. However, this world is also deeply shadowed by danger, violence, and hidden agendas, where trust is a rare commodity and betrayal can be deadly. At the very heart of this intricate world stands Don Vito Corleone, the revered patriarch of the Corleone family. A man of immense power, wisdom, and quiet authority, he is affectionately, and sometimes fearfully, known as the Godfather. His decisions shape destinies, and his influence extends far beyond his immediate family. We also meet his children, the hot-headed and impulsive Sonny, the gentle, yet often overlooked Fredo, the spirited Connie, and the youngest Michael, a decorated war hero who, at the film's outset, desires nothing more than a life separate from his family's illicit business. He represents a hope for legitimacy, a path away from the darkness. The film masterfully opens with a grand and vibrant wedding celebration for Don Vito's only daughter, Connie. This joyous occasion serves as a perfect backdrop to introduce the family's intricate network of favors and obligations. Guests approach Don Vito, seeking his wisdom and influence, a testament to his power. Amidst the music, dancing, and laughter, we glimpse the dual nature of the Corleone family. Outwardly respectable, yet beneath the surface of this seemingly ordinary family lies a hidden criminal world, where decisions are made that impact countless lives, often with grave consequences. It is here that we truly begin to understand the weight of the Don's position. A pivotal moment arrives when Virgil the Turk Salazzo, a rival drug trafficker, approaches Don Vito with a proposition to enter the lucrative, but dangerous, drug trade. Don Vito, a man of old-world principles, firmly refuses, believing drugs would tarnish his family-s reputation and legitimate businesses. This refusal, however, is seen as an act of disrespect and leads to a brutal, near-fatal attack on him. This act of violence ignites a fierce conflict and a devastating power struggle among the five New York crime families. The fragile peace is shattered, and the city plunges into a cycle of violence, betrayal, and a relentless thirst for revenge. Family loyalty is tested to its absolute limits, and the lines between right and wrong become increasingly blurred. It is in the crucible of this escalating conflict that Michael, initially an outsider and a war hero who wished to remain separate, is tragically drawn deeper into the family-s affairs. After the attack on his father, and witnessing the vulnerability of his family, Michael steps forward. We witness his gradual, yet profound transformation from a quiet, honorable son into a ruthless and calculating leader. His journey is marked by difficult choices, personal sacrifices, and a chilling embrace of the very world he once sought to escape. He learns to navigate the treacherous waters of power, ultimately becoming the new Godfather, a man forever changed by the demands of his family and his destiny. Let /s pause our story to understand some keywords that are central to The Godfather /S narrative, and will help you improve your English. Listen carefully as I explain each one. Loyalty *, this means being faithful and committed to someone or something. In The Godfather, loyalty to family is paramount, a sacred bond that demands unwavering devotion. It is the foundation upon which their empire is built. Power *, this refers to the ability to influence or control others, to make decisions that affect many. Don Vito wields immense power, not just through force, but through respect and a network of obligations. It is a heavy crown to wear. Family *, more than just a group of people related by blood or marriage. For the Corleones, family is their strength, their identity, and paradoxically, their greatest weakness. It is the reason for their actions, both good and terrible. Respect *, this is a feeling of deep admiration for someone, often earned through actions and reputation. Earning and maintaining respect is crucial in their world. A lack of it can lead to dire consequences. It is a currency more valuable than money. Revenge *, this is the action of inflicting harm on someone for an injury or wrong suffered. In The Godfather, revenge is a powerful, often brutal, driving force in the story, perpetuating cycles of violence and retribution. It is a dish best served cold, as the saying goes. To truly understand the Corleone family, we must look to their Sicilian roots. The film subtly, yet powerfully, portrays the traditions and cultural values that shaped their world. The concept of Omerta, a code of silence and honor, is deeply ingrained. The importance of family, the sanctity of promises, and the swift, often violent, justice outside the law are all reflections of their heritage. These traditions, while providing a strong foundation, also trap them in a cycle of violence and isolation, creating a unique moral landscape where personal ethics often clash with family duty. Beyond the violence and dramatic events, The Godfather explores profound and timeless themes. It delves into the complex nature of family bonds, showing how love and loyalty can coexist with ruthless ambition. It examines the corrupting influence of power, illustrating how even those with noble intentions can be transformed by its demands. The film also highlights the sacrifices made for ambition and the moral compromises that define a legacy, questioning whether true power can ever be achieved without losing a part of oneself. It is a story that forces us to confront the darker aspects of human nature and the choices we make. Let /S recap our vocabulary, slowly and clearly, to reinforce your learning and help these words become a natural part of your English. Loyalty, power, family, respect, revenge. These words are not just definitions. They are essential to understanding the depth of The Godfather /S narrative and the human drama it portrays. By listening to them again, you solidify your understanding and improve your retention. As we conclude this deep dive into The Godfather, we leave you with a question to ponder, a question that lies at the heart of this epic tale. What matters more in life, power or family? Share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. We love to hear your perspectives. If you enjoyed this slow English movie review, found it helpful for your learning, and appreciated our calm, narrative style, please subscribe to our channel for more unforgettable stories and English lessons. Join our growing community of English learners and movie enthusiasts. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to our next cinematic journey together.